बीआरएस अध्यक्ष के चंद्रशेखर राव ने केंद्र से नक्सलियों से बातचीत करने और ऑपरेशन कगार को रोकने का आग्रह किया। बीआरएस एमएलसी कविता ने कहा, छत्तीसगढ़ में ऑपरेशन कगार चलाया जा रहा है और हमारी पार्टी और हमारा दृढ़ विश्वास है कि नक्सलवाद की विचारधारा को केवल बातचीत के माध्यम से ही खत्म किया जाना चाहिए, न कि बल प्रयोग से। भारत को नक्सलवाद का राजनीतिक समाधान खोजना चाहिए। मेरा मानना है कि केंद्र सरकार को तुरंत युद्ध विराम का आह्वान करना चाहिए, नक्सलियों को बातचीत के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहिए और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस देश की हर पार्टी इस मुद्दे का समर्थन करेगी।
BRS party celebrated our 25 years of successful political parties tenure. So it was a huge gathering in which our leader addressed a lot of issues in over a 1 hour long speech. One of the prime important issues was about Operation Kagar that is being currently conducted in Chhattisgarh. And our party and we believe very strongly that the ideology of Naxalism has to be addressed with only dialogue, not with force. See, we have tried, many governments have tried many things. Congress government did Operation Green Hunt, this government is doing Operation Kagar. What is the result? Result is that Naxals get killed. In the process, Jawans get killed, all the soldiers get killed. And in the process, the Adivasis who live there, they are tortured and troubled by both sides. Unfortunately, all three of them are our own Indians who are struggling and suffering end of the day. So put an end to this suffering. A dialogue in a democratic space is what is most important. And I urge the union government to take this cue that was given by the Naxals themselves, that invite us to dialogue, invite us to discussion. Please invite them and please make sure in this process you include all the political parties as well. So it has to, you ultimately India has to find a political solution to Naxalism, not by force. So whatever currently the union government is doing, I believe they should immediately call for a ceasefire, invite the Naxals to the discussions, and I am very, very sure that every party in this nation will support this cause. Ultimately, these are our citizens, end of the day. Everybody, Naxals, the Jawans who are getting killed, the Adivasis, the women, especially my heart goes out to them who are in trouble there in Chhattisgarh. So this has to be stopped. This has to be put an end to. So we are, as our leader said, please invite Naxals for discussions.